Multiplying complex numbers, the hardest part is really just FOIL. If you guys can get FOIL down, which I'm sure you do already have down, then this should be pretty simple for you. The one thing to keep in mind, remember that I times I equals I squared, which is -1. If you remember that part, we went over it a couple sections ago, then this should be pretty simple. So let's look at this first example. So what we have is we have 5I times 5 plus 3I. And so 5I times 5 is 25I. And then 5I times 3I becomes 15I squared. But remember what we said about I squared is -1. So I'm going to replace this with a -1. And from there we'll simplify. So what we have is 25I plus 15 times -1, which is 25I minus 15. Let's take a look at another example. So on this one, let's go ahead and distribute the -10. So let me rewrite it. -10 times 13I minus 9. So -10 times 13I is going to be -130I. And then -10 times -9 is going to be positive 90. And so from there, there's no I squared, so that's it. That's all you have to do. That's the end of that problem there. The one thing to look out for, though, is those I squareds.